Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss break-even analysis. Topic I am covering are what break-even analysis, the formula break-even analysis, break-even chart, constructions of break-even chart, the margin of safety, the angle of incidence and the limitations of break-even charts. Let's start the video. What is break-even analysis? Break-even analysis helps to calculating and examining the margin of safety of a business based on the revenue collected and associated cost. In other words, the break-even analysis shows how many sales it takes to pay for the cost of doing business. Break-even analysis implies that at some points of operations, total revenue has to be equal to the total cost. Break-even analysis can be performed algebraically or graphically. Break-even analysis formula. Now come to break-even analysis formula. The break-even point can be calculated by using the following formula. Break-even point equal to divided by first minus V divided by P, where F equal to fixed cost, the equal to variable cost per unit, and P equal to the selling price of each unit. Break-even chart. Let's move on the break-even chart. A break-even chart is the graphical representations of the relations between cost and revenue at a given time. It is a graphic tool to determine the break-even point and a profit potential under the varying conditions of output and cost. Construct a break-even chart. Let's construct the break-even chart. Break-even chart consists of y-axis, which representing total cost and total revenue, and x-axis representing unit of output or sales volume or number of unit produced. There are three lines marked as A, B and C on the break-even chart. Line are representing the fixed cost function. Fixed cost doesn't change with the increase of sales volume. Line B presenting the total cost, which is increasing linear. It is a monotonic function that increasing the volume productions. Total cost result from the summations of fixed cost and variable cost. Line C presents revenue line or total sales. This line shows the income at varying level of output. This point called the break-even point. The break-even point making no profit and no loss situations for a given volume for productions. The area between the total cost line and the total sales revenue line on the left side of the break-even point marks loss. The concern and the area between the same lines on the right side of the break-even point represents the profit. The profit comes only when more than this volume of output is reached, and profit increase at a faster rate than the increase of total cost. The margin of safety presented on the break-even chart by the distance between break-even points and the production output. A large distance indicates that profit will be there even if there is a serious drop in production. If the distance is reality small, it indicates profit will be reduced considerably with a sign of a small drop in productive capacity of sales. Now the angle of incidence in the angle at which sales revenue lines cuts the total cost line. A large angles indicates that profit is making at a high rate. A high margins of safety with a large angle and indications of favorable business position. Limitation of break-even chart. Limitations of break-even chart. First, the break-even point is difficult to determine in many cases due to market conditions may not remain constant over the range of projected capacity. To the total cost line representing the summations of variable cost and fixed cost, and this need to be a straight line, but in actual cost do not usually vary, indicates proportion. Third, the break-even analysis chart present difficulties when an enterprise produces a variety of product. Go through the like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.